Alright, so I can tell you right now that this is going to take me a lot longer than directions. What they want me to do, what they want you to do is using this factory conduit right here and zip ties just to mount this control module, zip tie it to the in this area right here. And I don't know if you can see, there's the body control module right there next to it. I would like to be able to mount it kind of like that body control module. I don't want to build a bracket for it. Okay, let me think on this for a little bit, and then I'll show you guys what I come up with. All right, so hear me out. Here's what I'm thinking. I took the body control module off. Actually, I think this is going to the throttle because it's drive-by-wire. I think that's what this is. But either way, it's no coincidence that these are exactly the same, well, almost the same size. So now what I'm thinking I can do is mount this on top of this, just like this, and then put it back inside there with the factory screws. Connect that harness underneath there, connect this harness underneath here, and then it'll look just like it came from the GMC like that. So get in the comments below, let me know what y'all think about that. I think I'm gonna leave these reliefs on here on the back just so they have some separation in between there. Then I'll just figure out a way to mount those too, okay? Now, admittedly, that did take a little bit longer, just trying to figure out what parts I already had available. And again, I'm just not moving in, so I had to dig through all of my bins to find it, but look how much cleaner that looks. Do you guys understand what I'm saying? OEM Plus. This looks like it literally was installed at the dealership that way. And instead of hanging up on the wire loom right there, you know, I like a really clean engine bay. So, man, that looks really good. So let me finish getting this wire and stuff installed. And again, like I said, my whole intent is to make sure that this looks like it came from the dealership installed that way. So it's gonna take me a little bit more time to do it like this, but it's well worth it. Check that out. I mean. All right, a lot is taking place off camera. I got the box wired up. I got the wires for the passenger side ran across, dropped down behind the engine, connecting to the original wire loom, connecting zip tie to that wire loom, then drop down there to the firewall and run into the boards. Same on this side, which was really a pain in the buns, but we got it done. Snake down through this side of the firewall, of the fender well, and then to this side of the running boards. Inside, we had brought the wire, the two trigger wire up through the floorboard. There's a grommet underneath the floor there, and then we use a posi tap to tap into the light blue and light blue wire with a black line. This on the instructions it tells you this is only for crew cab crew cab vehicles. Is for the back door, the rear door. Then we snaked the other wire, that wire you see there. Haven't tucked it up yet, but that gray and black wire snake through the door and then up into the harness here. And then you see I got it posi tapped there into that harness. So that's pretty much everything that I've done up until this point. To get the driver's side done, I have to go over to the passenger side and do it. The only difference is there's no grommet in the floor, so I'm gonna have to drill a hole in the floor, and then they provide a grommet, and I'll use silicone around the grommet to keep water from coming up in there. And then after that, I believe then it'd be time to wire up the lights and then adjust the board. So let me button up this door panel and then move over to the passenger side. When I tell you that was a full day's work, that was a full day's work. But we just wrapped it up. The other side really was no different. The last thing that I did was wire up the lights for the running boards, and then you have to, well, I think I showed you, you gotta take the door panel off, but here we go. I have to adjust that. Looks like everything is working like it's supposed to. I'm loving it. Hey, I'm beat like I stole something. A full day's work for sure. But yeah, that's it for this one. Let me know what you guys think. If you like this type of video where I'm just like showing you in frames kind of like what I'm going through, or if you like the up close and personal with the camera type deal, just know that with electrical work, it's really hard to do that where I can put the camera in the same place where I'm trying to work at too. But yeah, I'm still working and improving though. But hey, I got to get up out of here. So if you like what you saw, don't forget to comment, subscribe, and share. It's free. You can help your boy out. Let your friends know. There's a channel out here that's simplifying automotive repair and taking the guesswork out of routine maintenance. But that's going to do it for this one. Peace.